My name is Sidney and I'm going into 3rd grade. This robot, when you go into the app, you can use this mat. Like you can go straight, you can turn, you can also go backwards with it, and you can choose a face for it to go on the screen. And to turn it on, you just press this red button. I really had fun with it. And then we use this thing to transfer heat from hot water to cold water and cold water to hot water. It was really fun because we got to move washers from one cup to the other. And it was so cool how the hot water changed to the cold water really, really fast. And then at the end, we all made these backpack tags with our names on it, so that way we don't, or other people won't take our